On this episode of Doing the Most, we're giving stuff away.
Homemade brews and various how-tos, everything from mead to roast, bake creation, fermentation, inebriation, doing the most.
Happy brew year, everyone, and I hope you're looking forward to all the cool stuff that you can brew in 2021. I know I am. And I hope while you're brewing, you are using a hydrometer. I'm not gonna jerk you around. I was gonna do a whole video on how important hydrometers are, but I know that if you're watching this channel, you're probably already using a hydrometer, and I'm gonna guess that the vast majority of you are using glass hydrometers like this one. Hydrometers are important. They can help answer a lot of questions about what may be going right and what may be going wrong in your home brews. But glass hydrometers are also quite fragile. And I'm going to presume that seeing me waving a construction hammer around over this hydrometer is probably giving some of you a little bit of anxiety. Yeah, that's because we all know just how fragile these things are. And I'm sure a lot of you have broken one. I know I've broken two in the last year as we've been working on stuff for the YouTube channel. So if this gives you some anxiety seeing this giant piece of metal being waved over this fragile glass scientific instrument, I've got you covered. Now I want to be clear, this video is not sponsored. It's not an endorsement of any product, it's just a product that I really like. We are going to be giving away 5 polycarbonate, nearly indestructible hydrometers in 2021. This particular brand is called the HERCULOMETER, and it's analogous to a glass hydrometer in basically every way, except if you drop it, you won't break it. Where'd that go? Now we're going to give these out in a variety of different ways, and like I said, we've got 5 to give away. And for this one, it's relatively simple. Hit that like button on this video and post a comment. Either tell me a tragic story of when you broke your hydrometer, or tell me the brew you're looking forward to brewing in 2021. It's that easy. Just like this video and drop a comment. We will choose our winner in a random drawing 2 weeks from now during one of our Happy Hour Hijinks live streams that take place on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Good luck, and we're hoping for 2021 to be a great year with no stalled fermentations, great nutrition, and awesome gear. Happy brew year, and happy brewing.